Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm reviewing my latest from Ipsy, and this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Loving the packaging, loving this. And I just reviewed the base subscription, but if you haven't seen that, I will provide my Ipsy playlist somewhere here, at the end of the video. And I already see a couple things sticking out here because I did get some add-ons. I think I went a little nuts this month, but I'm just gonna dive in. Let's get to it. The first thing I see in here is from Sweet Chef, and this is the Turmeric Vitamin C Booster Eye Cream. What? And this is a good size. I thought it was gonna be like one of those sample itty bitty size. It isn't. I think this is the full size. And I'll put the prices here somewhere. But this is how it looks. This is the container. Beautiful. Ooh, it's very thick. Interestingly, it doesn't have a scent, but it's very creamy. Ooh, that's really nice. I can't wait to try that. It's almost like, I wouldn't say icing. Oh, it smells really good. Well, no, it doesn't have a scent, so X that. But it does feel like it comes in a solid jar. This doesn't feel like plastic. This feels like glass, like a smoked glass. So that's interesting. All right, on to the next product. Ooh, what's this? This is the Neogen Dermatology. Oh, a clear soothing foam cleanser. Nice. I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's a little strong. Maybe I should, but you see that? Isn't that nice? Okay. Nice coloring. I don't know if it's open. I would have to open it this way. Oh no, it's sealed, so that's good. Take the seal off real quick. Let's see how this feels like it's a full size too. Oh, it's really thick. Do you see that? It's really thick. Wow. It has an interesting scent. At first I think it's like nutty, and then I get like it comes off kind of nutty. And there's the foam. Look at that. Ooh, maybe I should see if it could take off that swatch I did earlier. Oh wow. I have no idea what's in this. I will post the ingredients list and I will give a review on this. This looks like serious skincare. And for some reason, like the first thing I smell is like a nutty flavor, like a nutty smell. And it's really like, what is that? Coconut. That's what it is. It's the shell of the coconut. That's what I'm getting. That kind of earthy smell. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. All right, what's next in this? Ooh, okay, this is from Laura Geller. Do you see that? Yeah, and this is the Baked Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. Yay. Okay, we've got you covered, Baked Balance and Brighten. Oh, and this is in the shade, in case you were asking or wondering, porcelain. It is in my in my profile. For the longest, I never really got a foundation from Ipsy, like a traditional like full size. This is a full size, and I think this is like, it says baked, so I'm assuming it's like a powder form. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like, I think my first major like big, real size foundation. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas with this. It's so like Christmas with this. It's unbelievable. So here is the Laura Geller packaging. Is the same for her blushes as well as her foundations, and you see how it looks in there. It has that marbleized effect. This is foundation. Can you see that? There's like pinks in there, golds in there, and a little bit of, you see that? Yeah, can you see that? It looks like a planet, like a planet's surface. Yeah. Okay. And it feels smooth to the touch, but it's also raised like a dome. And that's porcelain. Oh, that's intense. Okay, let me see how it looks on my skin. Well, obviously I didn't get a lot of sun this year because it basically matches my skin. You see it? It's right there. Holy. Yes. Does it have a scent? Let's check. No, it does not. So that's good. That's nice. Can't wait to try a powder foundation, huh? And it goes on very silky, like a very fine powder, very silky. I like that, the silk finish. Ooh, I got something from Patrick Ta. What? This is the Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. What shade is this? Because I know I got one several months back, so I was really pleased when I saw them on the add-ons list. This was part of, I think this is one of the add-ons. And this is in the shade She's Seductive. Ah, already I'm in love with the title. Okay. This is the packaging right there. I love this packaging. The only thing is it's prone to fingerprints, but I don't care. I just wanted to show it real quick so you know how it looks. It's very sexy packaging. Now it's a matter of opening it, and I'm gonna have to be forced to put my fingerprints on it, and I really don't want to. Okay, come on, let's lift. There we go. Look at that. This is like a mauve. Is that peach? Maybe a mauve? Very pretty. I like it. Let's see how it looks on the, and it has the logo there. That logo, by the way, does go away, the Patrick Ta logo. As you use it, it does. So, just letting you know. Oh, it's a very light blush. But that's fine. You see it there? Yeah. But I can definitely use this. This is beautiful. All right, so the next one I have is also from Patrick Ta. It's another one of the monochrome blushes, and this is in She's Adorable. Which I think that's the one I got before, so now I have a spare. And I'm fine with that because I've been using it pretty steadily. The Patrick Ta blush. So I am so thrilled to get this. Again, the packaging, look at that. Sexy, gorgeous, gotta love it. Yes. And again, you open it here. And there is, can you see that? This looks interesting. Love, love, love. It's so pretty. Again, the formula is very smooth, very, very smooth. I'll put that right next to its sister, and you see the difference. This is more of a pink, this is more of an orange. This is a mauve, I'm not sure. Let's see. This is definitely lighter. This is more on the orange side. This is more on the pink side. She's adorable. She's seductive. Yes. What next do I have on this beautiful? I got brushes. I got brushes from, I think this is from Ipsy Glam. Yes. These are so pretty. It's like I have a love affair with makeup tools. I can't get enough. I just can't get enough. So we have this, they're all in this kind of beautiful, like orange pink frosting practically. And then down here are these sparkles within. And they're all done like that. So I'm just gonna show them real quick so you can see. Can I get them all out? Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. Look at them. For the eyes, for the cheeks. Love it. Love, love, love it. I am so loving it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. And we keep going. The next thing I see here is from Eres. This is a really good brand. They have these little mini things, and these, I put them up against any of these like brands that come with the full, you know, palette. I mean, they are pretty intense with their colors, and the pigmentation is off the charts, and the blendability. I would totally recommend for beginners if you really are having issues as far as blending. The formula in here is so beautiful that you won't have any trouble. It'll look like a pro did it. And these are the shades in question. These look kind of shimmery though. Yeah, they all look like they're shimmers, like set from a shimmer. And this one is called what? Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow. There you go. Let's see, you wanna see how they look? The formulation is amazing on these. Like I don't get any kind of crunchy feeling. It's all like butter. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna put this right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you see those shades right there? Do you see those darling shades on the bottom here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I'm talking about. These are beautiful. And they're shimmers, so I don't have to worry about glitter. You know how some of us have strong feelings about glitter, so I'm not gonna get into that. The base subscription is $12 a month. Let me know in the comments below if you're an Ipster. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. I'm loving that this bag hit all my fine points that I love. Skincare, makeup, gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'll see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.